Welcome to the cooler report, and I'm glad to introduce the newest condenser coil system for walk-in freezers and the refrigerator systems. Now let's take a look at the overall size on the coil system first. The overall length will be 67.5 inches in the long, and the depth is about like 20 inches. Include the front fan covers and the back covers at the behind, and the overall height is about like 24 inches. There is 3 legs at the bottoms, and right here have connection pipes. So total about like 24 inches. And also the units have the electric box right here for you to wire the power. And this is the compressor system. Like, take a look at the overall sizes. The overall length will be 43.5 inches. And the overall height is about like 49.5 inches. And the overall depth, that will be about like 19 and 3 and 4 inches. Also, they have a coppers on the side. For this part, it's about like 2 inches extend. And also we have a set gauge here for the compressor, the pressures for the freon, the diameters right here. Also, they have a lockers for the front side. You can just pull it hard. As you can see, we have a diagram right here for the all wire connections, and also the recess right here, and the compressor at the bottoms. They all using the coppers. Pretty nice. And if you have details, just contact with us. You can close the door and lock it. And there is a capillary tube sensors right here. Thank you for watching the videos. If you have more questions for details, just contact with us.